These places in India are off limits for women. India is a land of ironies, the biggest of them being that for a country that worships goddesses, India also has the largest number of female feticide cases. These places that prohibit women from entering its premises further adds up to the irony we all live in. Shani Shignapur, rock deity. This holy shrine for Lord Shani's worshippers recently came in news when the trust authorities performed a purification ritual after a young girl galloped to touch the rock deity. The rock deity is apparently kept in restricted area to protect him from a woman's touch. Nizamuddin Dargah, inner chamber. All female devotees are restricted from entering the inner chamber where a 14th century saint lived, prayed, and in the end was buried. This tradition has been going on for nearly 700 years. AMU, Maulana Azad Library. Time and again, the authorities within university have rejected the demand of women students to being allowed access to library with the fear of causing discipline issues. The VC of AMU believes if girls will come to the library, it would mean 4 times more boys in the library. As the boys will get attracted to them, discipline issues will crop up. Haji Ali Dargah, sacred inner sanctum. This sacred shrine was built in 15th century as a dedication to Sufi saint Pir Haji Ali Bukhari. For all these years, the inner sanctum has been forbidden for women. According to the authorities, the inner sanctum is where the grave of Sufi saint is, and as per the Sharia law, it is un-Islamic for women to enter the place. Sabarimala, Ayyappa Temple. Women from the age group 10 to 50 are barred from entering the premises. These women are believed to have started menstruating, and as this makes them impure, they cannot enter the temple. Jama Masjid, South Minaret. No female can enter the premises without a male companion, and after the Maghrib prayers, they are barred from entering the mosque. Shri Padmanabha Swami Temple, Inventory Vaults. Apparently, women can pray here, but they can never set foot inside the inventory vaults. Citing centuries-old customs, temple authorities have outlawed women, even higher female officials or experts to enter the vaults during inventorying, and no women are allowed inside. Lord Kartikeya Temple, premises. It is believed that this temple is cursed for women devotees, and if ever a woman dares to enter the premises, she will be cursed instead of being blessed. Apparently, once Lord Indra tried to distract Lord Kartikeya from his deep meditation by sending celestial women to him. So he cursed all females who ever tried coming in to see him.